the 2020 Hyundai Kona. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.